Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Yeah, Doge continues to push a little bit further into resistance, but not any change at the moment to any wave count here. So it's purely playing out the wave count, pretty much going according to script at the moment still. If it pushes any higher, it could go up to 8.5 and then 9.4 cents. A break above that could trigger a wave count change, but not necessarily to anything bullish, but rather something that might just be a little bit less bearish short term. Just be aware, always know your coins. Cryptos like Doge, they can rally unexpectedly due to certain tweets or news, and there is no way to, let's say, predict that, because I have no idea what Elon Musk might tweet tomorrow. Okay, so just be aware of that. All we can do here with the technical analysis is to identify the relevant levels where sentiment is likely going to shift. And we had several resistance areas on the chart here, which worked out nicely. I've taken them off the chart since then, because otherwise the chart gets too much, too overwhelming, I would say. And at the moment, I view in the primary wave count the move downs as a still unfolding ending diagonal in the absence of any likely bottoming structure so far. I'm counting the move down here as a wave 1, started on the 30th of October, and then a wave 2 pullback in a correction. Now a third wave down should be unfolding, then we should get a fourth and a fifth. This third wave should unfold as an ABC structure because we're dealing with an ending diagonal here. Now, what happens if we rally above resistance? And if you're wondering why is this a B wave in wave 3, I get this question sometimes. It's just related to the idea that this last wave down of this downtrend is an ending diagonal, and diagonals have within their 5 waves, for example a C wave, they have 3-way structures. So the third wave would be a 3-way structure. The wave 1 would be the wave 2, the wave 3, the wave 4, and the wave 5. And at the moment it seems like this B wave of wave 3 is rallying further into resistance. Resistance is between 7.9 cents. Well, that was broken, rejected, broken again, but the daily time frame isn't even closed, or the daily candle isn't even closed. Now, if we push any higher, we've got resistance at 8.5 cents and 9.4. If it goes beyond that level, again, it might need me to reconsider this wave count, and it is likely not going to be a wave B in wave 3 then. What could it be? It could just be simply an extension of the wave 2 a little bit higher, okay? And that is at 10.5 cents. That breakout point, a move above that level could trigger some positivity here and some bullish upside, but it is, all I would do if we really break above 9.4 cents and then above 10.5, I would just reset the wave 2 a little higher. Unless I really see a convincing 5-wave move to the upside, followed by a 3-wave pullback, then we've got a bullish setup, but I don't have it at the moment. Of course, as explained to you in the last few videos, as long as price stays above a certain level, and I think that was the 6.5 cent level, it is now 6.88. Okay, if we hold above that level, and so far we never broke it, if we hold above that level, then the focus can be on higher, but that is the level where the probabilities are starting to shift. And this short-term uptrend, which is happening on the very short time frame, this short-term uptrend can still continue as long as we're holding the 6.88 cent level. But then I would expect primarily at the moment a rejection and failure in resistance. Now again, that is why we're tracking the bullish support to understand when does a breakdown get more likely. At the moment, that level is intact. We're holding it. Therefore, the focus is higher very short term, but we are already in the area context-wise where a rejection should occur, and we could get that next swing low to the downside. Okay, so I'm observing that very closely. I'm watching these relevant levels. I will not rule out that it will go higher, because in the alternative wave count we have a wave 2 low already in place. That means the bear market low could be already in place. I will not rule that out. It's also a fairly likely option. It's just that I don't have a clear bottoming structure here where the wave 2 with a high likelihood ended. Okay, that's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.